Let me explain to you. Electrical lighting skill training device. Electrical lighting skill evaluation training device. This is the electrical piece, including a master power switch here. This is an upper switch. And here is an electricity meter. This is a protection circuit. So here's one of its load lights. And here's one of its control switches. Then the same here. And here's a current that's detecting it. There is an ammeter here. There's voltage and power here. It's the same thing here. It has a meter there. Here is a power supply. It's the power supply. This is the workbench. Here is a drawer. Then there's also a storage space here. To store some wiring harnesses, we can take the harness directly from here to make a connection. And then we're going to wire it. Then again, before the connection operation, we're going to wear some insulating gloves. After connecting this wire, after repeatedly checking it is correct, perform another turn on the main power switch. We put a plug here. Connect with the plug in the training room here. The plug is in the training room here. A socket here connects it. A convex head on it. A groove on the corresponding side to make a connection. Access insert. We can do a verification. Indicator light on and off. The indicator light is on and it doesn't light up. Okay. Then if it lights up here, the description represents normal for a power on. Then before we connect the wiring harness, you must disconnect it. There is a switch on the top here. Be sure to disconnect the main power switch here. We go from a drawer here. Take the wiring harness here directly out. Red and yellow. A plug here. A U1 on the corresponding side. R1 pair this corresponds to U1 here. Then U here. The other end. There is a knob connected here. Can you connect to a knob here? Then the black terminals. Yes, connect here in black terminal. The connection here is the same, and it is also the black terminal corner 5. So after we check again that it is correct, no problem. Let's first turn on the main power supply here. Upper switch. Let's turn on the power switch here again. And finally, let's turn on the main power switch here again. When the power is normally powered on here, we're going to click a light bulb here, a switch for the light bulb on this side of the load. Then it will work here. It will work here. Then it will work the same here and it will light up. Then the same can also be opened here. A power switch here. After the load on its side. 8 meter. It works. That means there is a job. Directly, it will be a job on the side of the display. A battery on its side. When we're done, let's disconnect one of the main power switches here. And the same thing is true in this case. We will also send some related ones. A connection here, the wiring harness here, and the one here. Actual operation diagram. Connect according to the wiring harness here. And that's it for today.